Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a Ford Ranger. First, safely lift your truck using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel and tire assembly. Then, loosen the lug nuts and remove the wheel. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and safe repair. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit before proceeding to the next steps. Now, let's tackle the old ball joint. Start by removing the cotter pin and then the castle nut. A few firm taps with a hammer on the steering knuckle can help separate it from the control arm. Be careful not to damage other components. Once separated, position your ball joint press and slowly remove the old, worn-out joint. This step requires patience and precision. With the old joint out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the control arm opening to ensure a proper fit. Then, carefully position the new ball joint and use the press to install it. Make sure it's seated correctly and fully pressed in. Reattach the steering knuckle, tighten the castle nut, and insert a new cotter pin to secure everything. Double-check all connections for tightness. Almost done, reinstall your wheel and tire assembly, then carefully lower the truck. Torque your lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 100 foot-pounds. Finally, take your Ford Ranger for a test drive to ensure everything feels right and the steering is responsive. An alignment is highly recommended after this repair to prevent uneven tire wear. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.